Let's continue the later Vedic age. Today we will read about the Brahmanas. The Brahmanas, they explain the hymns of the Vedas in an orthodox manner. Each Veda has several Brahmanas attached to it. Rig Veda, Kostaki and Aitreya. Yajurveda, Taitriya and Satpatha. Samveda, Panchvis and Jemineya. Atharveda, Gopath. The most important is Satpatha Brahmana by Yajnavalkya attached to Yajurveda, which is most exhaustive and important of all. It recommends 100 sacred paths. The Aranyaks, called forest books, written mainly by the hermits living in the jungle for their pupils. These are the concluding portions of the Brahmanas, deals with mysticism and philosophy, opposed to sacrifice and emphasize meditation, form a bridge between way of work, Karma Marga, which was the sole concern of the Upanishads, and the way of knowledge, Gyan Marga, with the Brahmanas advocated. The Upanishads, the word meaning to sit down near someone, and denotes a student sitting near his guru to learn, called Vedanta, the end of the Vedas, firstly because they denote the last phase of the Vedic period, and secondly because they reveal the final aim of the Vedas. They are considered the main source of Indian philosophy. There are 108 Upanishads. They also condemn the ceremonies and the sacrifice. They discuss the various theories of the creation of the universe and define the doctrine of action, that is karma. The world is God and God is my souls is the philosophy contained in the Upanishads. The debate of sage Yajnavalkya with an ancient Indian philosopher Gargi is mentioned in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. This Upanishad also contains the famous words Asatoma Sadgamaya. Smritis explains rules and regulations in the Vedic life. Main are Manusmriti, Narada Smriti, Yajnavalkya Smriti and Parasar Smriti. Vedangas. 6 Vedangas are Siksha, Kalpa, Vyakarana, Nirukta, Chanda and Jyotisha. Siksha deals with pronunciation, Kalpa with rituals, Vyakarana with grammar, Nirukta with etymology, Chanda with meter, Jyotisha with astronomy. Darsanas. There are 6 schools of Indian philosophy known as Sad Darsana. These are given by 6 philosophers of ancient India. Nyaya, analysis, Darsana, Nyaya Darsana from Gautama, Vaisesika Darsana from Kannada Rishi, referring to atom as Kana or Anu. Sankhya Darsana by Kapila, Yoga Darsana by Patanjali, Purva Mimamsa by Jaimini, Uttara Mimamsa by Vadaranya or Vyasa. Vyasa also wrote Mahabharata, classified Vedas, composed the Puranas and also gave Vedantic philosophy. Upavedas. There are 4 Upavedas. Dhanurveda deal with art of warfare. Upaveda or Yajurveda. It is from Yajurveda. Upaveda of Yajurveda. Gandharva Veda deals with art and music. It is Upaveda of Samaveda. Silpa Veda deals with architecture. It is Upaveda of Atharva Veda. Ayurveda deals with medicine. It is the Upaveda of Rig Veda. Epics. Though the 2 epics, the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, were compiled later, they reflect the state of affairs of the later Vedic period. The Mahabharata, fought around 950 BC, attributes to Vyasa, describes the period from 10th century BC to the 4th century AD. It is also called Jaya Samhita and Satasari Samhita and has 1 lakh verses in 18 Parva. The Ramayana, attributed to Valmiki, has 24,000 verses in 7 Kanda. Its composition started in the 5th century BC and passed through 5 stages. The 5th stage ended in the 12th century. There is a note: the Bhagavad Gita, an 18 chapter 700 verse scripture in Sanskrit, is a part of the Mahabharata. Chapter 23 to 40 of the 6th book of Mahabharata. It is set in a narrative framework of a dialogue between Pandava Prince Arjuna and his guide and charioteer Krishna. Panini, an ancient Sanskrit philologist, grammarian and a revered scholar in Hinduism, considered the father of Indian linguistics, in 450 BC wrote Astadhyayi, a sutra style treatise on Sanskrit grammar. Rise of Brahmanism. Value of Brahmins increased as they only could perform religious ceremonies, led to religious monopoly. Puranas, or old stories, 18 in number, contains the popular myths of these times. People revolted against this. Thank you.